What's up, y'all? It's D
and Keys,
and we are back with another video. So today we had a special guest.
Say hey, Leia.
Say hey, Leia.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is
Leia. And how old are you? 2 years old. So this is my goddaughter, and her mom's behind the camera, directing everything. So let's go ahead. As y'all can see, we do have our snack crate that Leia is so eager to open. And let's go ahead. You ready to do the honors?
Yeah.
All right, open it.
If you're new to our channel, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video.
All right, let's get into the video. So Leia, what is this? Stickers?
Yeah.
So these are stickers that you can keep, okay? And of course, we always get this, but they do have another promotion where you can always keep it code and all that good stuff. And as you can see, we have Canada. I used to work in the department when I was working at this, my job, so yeah, I know a little bit about Canada. So we have Canada. Let me go ahead and put this to the side. Do you want to do what you always do? And let's go ahead and open this.
And Leia, you're gonna help me?
Woo. As y'all can see, we have these snacks, and we're gonna go ahead and pick per snack and go from there. And yeah,
are you
let's
ready?
Go ahead and get started. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and comment down below what content you'd like to see from us. And then we'll go ahead and do that for you. Again, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so the first one. Okay, we're going to do that in a minute, okay? So the first one is what? Doritos. And Keys, can you read off to what this is?
All right. So Doritos Zesty Cheese. These chips feature a blend of Parmesan and cheddar cheese with a delicious, tangy kick.
Okay.
That's these.
So let's go ahead and try.
Yeah.
Are you ready to taste it, Leia?
How about you hand us it? Okay. Nisha's in the back and she's going to handle it and give it to us. You ready?
Leia, look.
Here, Leia, get one chip.
No.
You want to try it? You don't want to try it? Here, you try.
All right.
Okay, and I tried this one. Do you want to try it behind the camera?
No.
Nisha's going to try in the back. She's tasting it with us. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
You want to taste? Get a chip. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Mmm.
That's good.
It's good.
I give that a 10. That was really good.
Yo, this is like Doritos.
Leia, thumbs up or thumbs down? Was that good?
Was it good? Yeah?
Was it good, Leia? Yeah?
Good? Yeah.
Okay. So I guess everybody liked it.
All right, and so the next one Nisha gave us is this. Ruffles.
This is Ruffles All Dressed, the most popular chip in Canada, made with paprika and a secret blend of spices. So good. Hold on. What the hell is the secret spices?
I don't know.
I don't know about that.
Let's see.
It look like mayonnaise, low-key.
Ew. You ready to try? You want to try?
No.
Eat one chip. Get one chip. Not yet.
Hold on.
Not
Hold
yet.
on,
Not
Leia.
yet.
It must be good. You ready to eat these?
Not yet.
All right, you ready?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. One, two, three.
Ew! These taste like bacon.
Bacon?
Ew, these taste like bacon. That's a 0 for me. That was absolutely disgusting.
Oh, hell no.
Leia, was that good or nasty? Good? Okay. Leia liked it. I'll pick it up in a minute for you.
Okay. So now we have the next one. Let's do a thumbnail, Leia. Do like this. Look at the camera.
Leia. Leia, go like this.
Leia, do like this. Oh, look at your mommy.
Leia,
look at your mommy.
mom.
Do like that. Okay. All right, so as you can tell, go ahead and read out to.
All right, these are Old Dutch ketchup chips. Yes, ketchup chips. These famous Canadian chips are the perfect mix of savory and salty flavors with a hint of sweetness that makes them irresistible.
Here, you get one first, Keith.
Why did they have to put that in something?
Don't
they
eat
got
it yet.
sweet?
Get one. Don't eat it, okay? Not yet. Wait till you're...
Not yet. Lady.
Wait. Not yet. Ready? 1, 2,
2,
3.
Bashi? 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 Oh, I have Bashi.
Be careful, Leia.
What in the barbecue cookout?
These actually are good.
Leon, these are nasty.
I would eat this.
I didn't like them. It tastes like a piece of a cookout. I don't know why.
Piece of a cookout?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't like them.
So we have these, babe.
Did you like those, babe?
They were okay.
Leia, were those good?
Were they good?
Okay.
Yeah.
Leia been liking them.
Leia loves them. So now we have these.
What is that called? These are fuzzy peach. Sweet and chewy peach flavored gummy slices packed with flavor and made with real fruit juice. You ready to eat these? Okay.
If I can get them open.
They're not hard.
You don't like peach rounds, I'm guessing. Here, Leia, you want a candy? Get one. Get one. Don't eat yet, okay? Don't eat yet, okay?
Leia, are you ready?
Are you ready?
1.
1, 2, 3.
These fire. Put them in the refrigerator? That's a 10. Was that good, Leia?
These were actually good. Yeah, these were awesome. All right, Canada.
So far,
I see y'all.
okay.
Yeah, so far, okay.
These are called Juicy Squirts Berry. These soft and snackable gummies are filled with a sweet splash of fruit flavor in every bite. I hate when something.
You like Gushers though, babe.
I
Come
do,
on.
but come on now.
Here, Leia, get yours. Don't eat it yet.
Ooh, these look good, don't they?
Not yet. Not yet. You ready?
1,
2, 3.
Okay. These remind me of something that we used to have back in the day.
Back in the day. Back in the day. It was just like this.
It's low-key in the Scooby-Doo snacks family that I'm thinking of. I can't remember. These were good. I'll give those a 10.
All right, you like those, Leia?
Those are
She
good.
got another one, y'all. She like, oh. I'm going to save these for you, okay?
Okay, guys. Okay.
Show the camera.
Show us what the next snack
Show
is,
them.
Leia. Trill's gum. It tastes like soap.
So,
It's a strange but endangeringly Canadian description. This rose water flavored chewing gum.
So this tastes like soap. I don't know if I want to
I'm
try
gonna
this,
eat it.
guys.
I'm gonna eat it.
You wanna
wanna
taste it,
eat
Leia?
it? Okay, here. Here, Keith. Here, Mom.
Don't eat it yet, Leia.
Shit. I'll get that one.
Give it to me.
What, this one? Here, Leia.
I already gave
Oh,
her
you
one.
gave her?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Y'all chew it. Ah, shit.
Ew! That was nasty.
I'm a nasty.
No.
Hey.
That tasted like
Can I see
poo-poo.
a napkin?
Leia, was
Lady
that
drop
nasty?
hers to the ground. I'm gonna get that later.
Did that taste like poo-poo?
No.
Alright. Ooh, this has to be some type of maple syrup. Yep, I knew it was.
Apple.
It's called Maple Lollipop. This quintessentially Canadian treat is made of 100% pure maple syrup that I will not be participating in, unfortunately.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this with only...
I think we should let Leia taste this.
You want to taste it, Leia? Okay.
All about you, Leia. And if you want it, you can have it.
Yeah, if you want it, you can have it.
If it's good though. You have to let us know is it
You gotta
good.
eat it, okay?
What did that taste like, Leia?
I taste. So
I'm gonna put
good.
that up the ground in a minute.
All right. Okay, thank you for showing them what we got next, Leia.
All right, you showed them already?
These are called Glossette peanuts, a Canadian movie theater staple. These peanuts are covered in a distinctive glossy chocolate shell.
All right, glossy, so that means they're chocolate covered peanuts. Take one. Get one. There you go. Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it.
I think I'm gonna just let y'all.
No.
Leia, this
I'll take two.
looks weird.
Yeah.
What did it look like?
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
3.
Goobers. I like those. You like those?
I'll give those a 3.
I like those.
Just because I don't like peanuts.
Thank you.
You'll show them
Leia,
later?
show them what we have next.
You ready?
All right, this is called Crispy Crunch. This candy bar features a crispy peanut flake interior, wrapped in delicious Cadbury chocolate.
Stop.
Here, take one.
You ready to eat it?
Here, you take this one. Oh, okay, Leia. Take this one. Not yet. Don't eat it yet. You want to take this little one?
Leia, show them what we eating. You ready?
You ready? Let's go. 2, 3.
Ooh, you like this, Leia? I'm not a fan of it. Tastes like a Butterfinger. Was that good? Wow. Okay, the next
Good
thing
girl.
we're going to have is O. Henry peanut butter. Reese's peanut butter center with a creamy caramel, chewy fudge, wrapped in peanuts, and coated in rich chocolate.
Yeah.
This sounds like something for you, Deanna.
You don't mind me touching the big piece?
Dang. Y'all killing me with all this stuff with nuts. I don't like that.
Don't eat it yet, Leia. All right, you ready? Y'all ready? Ready?
Count for us, Leia.
Set.
1,
2, 3.
Good.
I don't like peanuts, so it's good, Leia.
I love it.
Right.
Ooh, how did Cake use these?
Leia, show them what we're having.
Show them what we're having.
All right. Coffee crisp. Alternating layers of vanilla wafer and delicious coffee flavored cream wrapped in milk chocolate.
Ew. Look here.
Why you giving me such a big piece? That's gonna go to
You want
waste.
to try it? 1,
1,
2, 3. Don't
Leia,
fall on the
put
ground.
it in here. Nasty? Ew, why it tastes like it has spice in it?
One, Leia, you ready?
Yeah.
You gonna show them?
What's
All right.
this one called? Let me see.
Mars.
Oh, and for the last one, I will not be participating in this one. I'm gonna let Leia and Deanna taste this one. Mars Maple, a Canadian classic made with maple syrup, caramel, and chewy nougat, covered in a creamy milk chocolate. Let me know how it tastes, guys.
1, 2, 3. You don't like it?
Let me
You
see
like it?
Put it in here.
I'm not funny.
Is
You
it
like
good,
it?
Leia?
Not for me, I'm sorry. Well, that's the end of the video. You want? Oh, we got one more thing to try. You want to try it? You got a cup.
Show them what it is.
So what we have is this drink. Like, you want to show it? Look, show it.
This is Pepsi Crush Cream Soda. This Canadian riff on cream soda features the flavors of orange and French vanilla blended together for a sweet taste that is smooth and sweet.
So me and Key's gonna try one.
Good. Babe, that's enough. I can taste it from the
I don't know if y'all want a lot or a little bit, so I just did a little bit. All right, so we're gonna have Leia taste it first with Keys, and then me and Nisha taste. You ready?
Not yet.
Not yet. She said not yet, y'all.
All right. Can I go ahead now?
Not yet.
Here,
1,
Leia.
2, 3.
You like it?
Is that good, Leia?
All right, so now me and Nisha, she's behind the camera, but we're about to try it. Ready?
That was a little bit too much for me, so I would give that. Was that good, Leia? Oh my God, her finger. Here, just set it on here.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right, Leia. Just, yep. All right, guys, that wraps up this video.
Wait, we always say a fun fact.
Her hands are sticky. What the hell are we gonna do?
Let me see. All right, Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Okay, it's also the second largest country after Russia. And Canada, they have the most educated country. So over half of its residents have degrees.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? And the official Canada phone number is 1-800-O-Canada. And there are places in Canada that has less gravity than the rest of the world. So those are a couple fun facts. The capital is Toronto. No, it's Ottawa, excuse me. And Toronto is also the biggest city, and it's, you know, that's where all the people are. So if you guys So if you guys enjoyed this video with Leia, say hey, Leia.
Hi.
Hey, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And Leia, you had fun? You had fun? Yeah? Okay, well, you guys will be able to see her mom in the next video. So if you guys want to see her mom, just make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Yeah,
Yay! And we out. Gang, gang.
Ding ding.
Thumbs up at the right time. Okay. Scoot over here.
No.
Yes.
No.
And cut it, and then
more perfect
okay.
than other
You
one.
ready in a minute, okay?
That's how she likes it.
We're gonna open it.
Stop.